about to do a cabin filter on this 05 Acura TL. Easy. Just gotta go under the glove box, bolts, slap a new one in. Let's get it. First things first, let's drop this glove box, remove whatever that's in here if you want. But yeah, let's remove this because this is gonna be in the way. This might fall out. Okay, now squeeze the sides, well, pushing the sides like this for it could drop like that. Now you got these bolts, you got this 8mm, and you got these clips. They're supposed to be here. There's none over here, but there's one here. And these 8s, or you can use a screwdriver or drill. Okay, if you have a drill like me, let's take it off. This one and 2. Okay, if you have one of these, this side's broken, so don't mind that. You want to scoop in there, try to take the clip right here out. Okay, I have a new clip for that, so I don't have to worry that it's broken. Now let's drop this. There's gonna be some connectors back there, so be careful. Drop it like that. Let's connect over here, and this one right here. Let's drop it little. You don't have to drop it all the way down because it's right here, but we have to change. Okay, so let's unclip it. Just push back both sides. And pull it out. See how bad this is. Oh, look at this. Oh, she's black. Oh, sheesh. Let's look at it on the floor. Look at this. Goddamn. Oof. Man, that's not good. Okay, as you see this arrow, it says point up. Now all you gotta do is remove it like this. Look, like this. It's pointed up. Now get the new one, which we got over here. You see the arrow for arrow. Sometimes it don't have arrows. I don't know why it matters, but if you know, let me know, because I don't know why it matters. Both sides look the same to me. Anyways, this flow, you see the flow? See the arrow down? You gotta flip it up like this. Now just put it down like so. Okay, once you put it down, let's put it in here. Make sure you look in there, make sure there's nothing, no leaves in there or whatever, because that's gonna be a problem. As you see the airflow, it says point down, so I had to flip it around. I had to go back in there and flip it around. So if you want to flip it around, you can. If not, I think they're the same way. Up to you. You're gonna hear the noise. You don't want no noise. Now push it in there, clip it in. That's it. Now let's put these back. Okay, see, I put everything up. I connected the connectors for the trunk and this light right here. I connect those with the 2 bolts down there and the clips. See, I replaced it with new clips. Now let's put this back up. Make sure this is clipped on there behind over here. Oh shit! I'll break it. Let me show you. A little shaky. I know. A little shaky. Okay, put that on there. Push these tabs in there. Squeeze those and put it in. Don't forget to put your stuff back in here. And that's how you change cabin filter on this 05 Acura TL. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.